we're going to tackle on graphical methods. First of all, we're going to start with cubic functions. Cubic functions, for example, is written in this form. You can say y is equals to a x cubic plus b x squared plus c cx plus d plus d. Now, that is the way we express a cubic function. A cubic function is expressed in the way we say y is equals to ax cubic plus bx squared plus cx plus d. So whenever you see that question, you can look at it. So you're going to have y is equals to 1x cubic plus 1x squared plus 1x plus 1. And that's how we express a cubic function. Some questions can be set in exams in Kcse and also in Form 3, where we learn cubic functions. One of the questions can say, by using a table, you fill that table and work out in filling the table by the expression which says y is equals to x cubic minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 9. So first of all, that is the equation that we're being given. In that particular function, let's go to table of values, and then we have them. So as you can see, from there we are having the table of values for x and y. For x, start with -2. For the manipulation there, we can see -23. When x is equals to -1, the other side is 1, 0. The other side is 9. x1, the other side of y is 7. x2, the other side is 1. Now from there, we need also to have the special points. The special points that we need to have, these are the special points that we need to have in our graph. So we can have from A, B, C, D, E, and F. Those are the special points we're going to plot our graph. Now let's go and plot our graph. So that's our graph. The graph in blue is our graph that we have plotted, and the graph which is in yellow is the graph. Let us remove it. The yellow one. It was not there. It was the first for the expression of ax cubic plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Now for the equation that you have manipulated there is for the function which we say y is equals to x cubic minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 9. So those are the special points we're going to have from that of our graph. Let's give that our graph a good color. You have given it, and then let's say give those points A. We're gonna have the point A, -1, 0. Let us plot it. That's a point, so it can be plotted in that particular way. Let's give them some good colors. Point A. And so have point A. We have point F. uh, point F. Let's adjust ourselves. Yeah, and then let's come back. This point F is not coming clearly. Yeah, you are giving that point a good color. Then that is the graph that we have drawn for that function, and that one is equal to 3 marks. It gives us 3 marks. So the question also can continue and say, using the graph, estimate the root of the equation y is equals to x cubic minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 9. So we use the graph to estimate the root of the equation between x is equals to 2. So they say that x is equals to 2 between x is equals to 2 and x equals to 3. Now let's go to 2 between x is equals to 2 and 3. Let's see that point. The point as B. So we're going to see the root there. So the root is 2.17. So the root, and is read in terms of x value. So the root there, as we have seen, it is 2 point. So we saw there it's like it was 2.17, which is equals to 2.2 or 2.0. So that is the root of that particular point, 2.1, 7 or 2.2. So we have used that graph to estimate the value of x at which between x equals to 2 and x is equals to 3. Another question says, using the same axis, draw the graph of, now let's draw another graph of y is equals to 4 minus 4x. So another graph that we're going to draw that one is a linear equation graph. So the equation there can be written in the form of y is equals to mx plus c, which means that it's going to give us a line graph. Now let us have the table of values. Those are the table of values that we're going to have: x negative 2, y 23, x negative 1, y 1, x 0, y 9, x 1, y 7, x2, y1. From there also, let's come and have the special points we need to plot in that particular graph. We have G. Let's go to our graph. We have the point G, and we have the point G is 1, 0, as you can see, and H. That line is going to intersect the at H, the y-axis at the point 0,4, and G, the x-axis at the point 1, 0. Now, this is our line. Let's give it a good color, and also the points. Can also give the points, as you can see. So those are the points within our line. So the question says that using the same axis, draw the graph of y is equals to 4x minus 4x and estimate the solution for the equation. For us to estimate the solution for the equations, we are going to see where the line, linear graph line, cuts the curve for the function of a cubic, for that function of the cubic. Now, let's come there and see where the line cuts the curve. So as you can see, this line, let's see that point where the line cuts the cubic function. So the point is negative 0.5517, 6 point for x and 6.206. We can give it to one decimal place. I would say negative 0.5, negative 0.6 or 5. We can say also 6.2. And that particular point is the where the graph they intersect one another. So by doing so, the point of intersections is going to give us the solution. And then we have solved the the graphical equations. Thank you for watching as we grow together in mathematics.